Ladies and gentlemen, we are gonna have a fight between the monkey and the dino versus the vacuum. But not just any vacuum, a robot vacuum. Here we go. Jackson, get the dino, press the dino button. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. This is it. This is what you've all been waiting for. This is what you've been requesting. And here we go, the war between the vacuum and the dinosaur and the monkey. Oh, he's going straight for the monkey. Straight for the monkey. Oh! Oh, what's the dinosaur's mad. He's stuck and he is very mad because he's stuck. Come on, Dino, get in there. Oh, he already knocked the monkey over. The vacuum so far is in the lead. Yes. Dinosaur, is that it? Dinosaur, is that it? Monkey man, are you over? Oh, the monkey said I ain't giving up. The monkey's jumping back into action. The dino's jumping back into action. Oh, here we go. The vacuum is going straight for the monkey again. He's not giving that monkey any kind of break. He's going to finish him, I believe. Oh, he hit him again. Oh, he's going for the dino. He's going for the dinosaur. That was almost a KO right there, I believe, ladies and gentlemen. His head. Now's not the time to be eating, Dino. Don't be eating the train. The dinosaur is taking time to have a snack of a train. The monkey is trying to get back to his feet. This has all been very exciting, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. The dino's getting back in action. He's had his eat. He's had his munchies. And now he's ready to fight. Monkey. Hello, monkey. Monkey, are you there? Come on, monkey man. Monkey's going back to, oh, he can't even get to his feet. He took such a beating, he can't even get to his feet. Go for the dino now, go for the dino. Oh! Oh, the dino just got finished. I don't think he's got it in him to get back up. Oh, my son picks him back up. He gave him a fighting chance in here. Here we go. Here we go. The monkey's jumping back into action. The dino said that ain't it. You ain't seen nothing yet, said the dino. Oh, he's finishing the monkey. Oh, the monkey is seasoned. The monkey is seasoned. Oh, the dino. Dino. The dino and the vacuum are going at it now. Oh! The vacuum said, is that all you got? I'm coming for more. Oh, and he's backing up the dino. He's backing him up. Oh, look at the monkey. He can't even get to his feet. He took such a beating. Oh, here they go. This is the real action right here. Oh. Here we go. Oh. Oh, this is very exciting. Very exciting. Oh, the dinosaur. Oh, that's a beam right there like I've never seen. They are going at it. Oh! Come on, we want a clean fight. We want it out here in the middle. All right, here we go. The vacuum said, you guys ain't seen nothing yet. You ain't seen nothing yet. The dino said, show me, I'll show you, and we'll have a real war. The dino's mad, he's not getting up there, shaking the thing. Oh, hey, that's your teammate. Break it up, that's your teammate. You go after the vacuum. Oh, he just knocked out the monkey. Poor little monkey. Monkey, are you okay? Are you okay, monkey? You're still in the fight? Well, good. We'll go get him. Go get the vacuum. Oh, the dino knocked the monkey out again. This is all too much. Hey, Mr. Dinosaur, you're not supposed to fight the monkey. You're supposed to fight the vacuum. Oh, yeah? That's right. There's the vacuum right there. Oh! Here we go again. This is so exciting. Oh, here we go. The monkey said, yeah, I'll show you what I got. Oh, the monkey, you're attacking your team member. Oh, he's sorry, he says. He's going after the vacuum. He's going after the vacuum. Oh, show the vacuum what you got, monkey. He's clobbering him. He's clobbering the vacuum. Oh, would you look at that? He is clobbering him. Back to your feet, monkey. Back to your feet. Come on. Oh, he's clobbering the vacuum. Oh, I've never seen anything like this. A vacuum versus monkey. What are we coming to? Ooh, the monkey, I said. You guys thought I was down and out? Nah, I'm in the game still. I'm in the fight still, he should say. Woo! Dino, get back over here, join the fight. Oh, this is all too much for me. I've never seen this kind of violence before. Oh, the monkey. Oh, you put up a hell of a fight, I gotta say, Mr. Monkey. What happened? What did he eat? Oh, he ate that? Well, he is a vacuum. You're not supposed to be vacuuming while fighting, isn't it? Oh, here we go. That is too much for me to handle. This is pure, unadulterated violence. Oh, man. Monkey, can you make it? Are you still in the fight or not? Monkey's going for the monkey slam. Ooh, monkey slam, he didn't make it. Oh, the Dino said this is all too much for me. I've taken too much damage in this fight so far. But I'm still a fighter. I'm a Dino at heart, so I will continue to fight. And the vacuum says, you ain't seen nothing yet, cause I'm a vacuum. Here we go. Right past the monkey, said the monkey's down and out. What do I need to beat a dead man down for? Here we go. Ow. Get him. Go get him, Dino. Oh, show him what you got. Dino. Oh, here we go. The Dinos go. Oh, the Dino's flipping out. He said, this is my game to win and I will be victorious. Oh, here we go. Oh, and the vacuum comes up for a sneak attack. Oh, he's trying to put him in a chokehold. The Dino's dead. Oh, the Dino is down. But is he out? He's certainly down, but is he out? Oh, that vacuum is just non-stop. He just wants to show her he is about. And he is about beating the Dino and the Dinosaur looking at. Oh, look at that. Would you look at that? Oh, man. Oh, that Dino took it all he could take. Can he get back up? Is he still in the fight? Oh, he's on his face. Come on, I want to see a clean fight. No more sneak attacks. Oh, he goes for another sneak attack. I say no sneak attack, and he does another sneak attack. Woo! What about the monkey? Are you still fighting, man? He said, yeah, I'll do a backflip. I'm a monkey. What do you think? Oh, he's doing some monkey business with the vacuum. Would you look at that? Oh. I choked out the vacuum, but the vacuum said, no, I am the man and I will fight to the end until my batteries are dead, the vacuum says. The Dino's smelling for the vacuum. It's right over here, Dino. The vacuum's right here. The vacuum said, I'll show you. I'll come to you. You don't need to find me. Monkey man! Oh! No! Stay inside the ring, guys. You gotta stay inside the ring. Oh, what is that monkey doing? He's getting ready for some kind of secret move. Oh, this is all too much for me. Monkey, are you still enjoying yourself? Not till you win, you say? We'll go and win the fight then. How about you, Dino? You still enjoying yourself? Oh, I'll enjoy it till the vacuums is no more and his batteries are depleted. Oh, they're going. They're still going. We ain't seen nothing. Oh, no. You gotta stay in the ring, vacuum. Stay in the ring. That's a foul. You lose a point for that. If it goes to the judges, that is. Oh, the Dino said, here, check my tail move. I got a tail move. We've never seen nothing like that before. Yeah. Here goes the Dino. Here goes the Dinosaur. The vacuum said, I ain't seen nothing yet. I'll come and finish the job. Hey, look, I want a clean fight, guys. No dirty moves. No eye pokes. No groin shots, okay? The vacuumer says I will fight. I will fight until you guys are depleted your batteries. How about that, the vacuum says? Oh, look at that! You just had your chance and you ran, Dinosaur. You must be ashamed of yourself. You okay? Here, I'll shake you up. Ooh, there's no monkey business in here. This is all pure combat MMA. Oh, help him up, help him up. Vacuum, where are you going? I thought you guys wanted to destroy these guys. He's running now. Oh, look at the dinosaur. He's doing some kind of move over there like I've never seen before. He's doing the monkey bang. The monkey bang he does. Go get that monkey. Go get the monkey. Oh, they're teaming up. They're teaming up on the vacuum. That is a beautiful move. What kind of move is that, monkey? The monkey is giving him a beating. The monkey is really still fighting. Monkey man, you are the man, you know that? Yes, I know, I'm the monkey. Uh-oh. Hey, break it up, you two. You guys are team members. Oh, they're fighting. The team members are fighting. They're in a brawl now. Get back to your feet, Dino. Oh, here we go. I've never seen nothing like this. The team members were fighting themselves. Get back to your feet, monkey man. Oh, here we go. Oh, they're going at it. They are really fighting till they can't fight no more. Oh, here we go. Woo. Yeah. Go. Oh, this is brutal. This is all too much for me. If you have your kids watching, don't let them watch this kind of violence. Monkey, hello? Monkey, hello? Hello? Monkey, are you there, monkey? Think the monkey's done with. He ain't getting back up. That's it for the monkey. The monkey is out of here. You are done and over with, monkey. Go to your locker room. Go to your dressing room and your night is up. Oh, the dino said my monkey friend's out of here. Well, I'm still gonna fight until I brawl that dinosaur. Whatever that means. Whatever that means, the dino is mad. Oh, so mad. Oh, here we go. These two have been given us the best moments tonight. Oh, I don't believe this. Oh, this is all so crazy. Oh, go, get him. Oh, nice move there, Dino. Oh, he's giving the vacuum all you can get. Oh. This is crazy, insanity. The vacuum is getting a beating right now like I've never seen the vacuum take before. All right, and that wraps up the fight. Oh, the mouth! No! Oh! Now the vacuum is running, but the rep stepped in, got him to square off again. Oh, this is crazy. This is just crazy. That was a beautiful fight. Beautiful fight. I think the dinosaur is out. And the vacuum is victorious because he's still going. The dinosaur is a little sick right now. It's throwing up, I believe. So the vacuum is our winner for tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, this has been the fight of the century between the dino, the monkey, and the vacuum. Oh, man, we got a fight still going on here. That is it for our time here. We got to call it a night. We will see you next time. Yeah, we will see you next time. Yeah. He's having some type of season. He's having a season. He's season out. Oh man, look at that, look at that, look at that. Oh, it's contagious. That was one heck of a fight we saw. This is just getting ugly now. I gotta call security because this is too much. What is this? What is that? Oh! The vacuum is cleaning up because that is his job, and he is the winner of the fight, so he gets the winner of cleaning the living room. Come on, monkey. You need a bite, monkey? Here, let's keep bringing the monkey back to his feet. You back in there, Glenn? You back in there? Well, the fight's over, monkey. You lost. Yeah, I'm sorry to say you lost. Nope, nope, no. You're done. You're over with. You clearly lost. You clearly lost. You don't believe me, monkey? You want to fight me, monkey? No, no, no. He wants to fight me. Oh, no. Get him off me. Get him off me. Get him off me. Oh, man. You can't attack me. You are getting fined for that. The commission is gonna fire you and let you go because you're a dirty fighter. Oh, I was right. You should be upset.